Hey back, welcome back to another episode of Chris making the simplest things more complicated than they'd ever need to be. With a positive yellow tone, first into the blonde hair, and then covered in copper. We'll undercut this bad boy using the clippers and scissorings. Just take that down as tight as you want it, because the majority of it's going to be covered. Quick blast over her jar, and then I'll go in and refine that a wee tiny bit more in detail. Obviously not working as quick as you see on the screen. Neat and tidying up on a hairline, pop that around, pimping. Comb everything down, and we're going to call it a straight, angular line, shorter at the back, longer at the front. Do that in a couple of sections. Whack that frontal, and repeat on the other side. Add a bit of product, blow dry, pimping, straighten it out, pimping. Have a wee look and a feel, looking good, pimping. Now, we're doing club cutting, touched on this before. It's a fancy name for cutting a straight line. Now, once we got the line perfect and we're happy, cut a wee bit more off for a straight line, lifting the hair up, and that's called scissor over comb to form a point cutting. Now onto the layers, or graduation, which is upside down. Once again, we're using the points of scissors to point the hair. Point cutting, pimping. Snip snip, snip snip, chop chop chop. Snip snip snip, chop 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 chop. Pimpin'. Now back, once that's all looking good, it's all coming on really. Do we check, make sure both sides are the same, unless you don't want them to be the same. Then they're different. Take off any wee bits, or any wee minor fuck ups, and then you're left with that. What do you think? Oh shit toasty. Pimpin'. Like and subscribe for more. Shabba.